Hello everyone, this is Gunjan Goyal. I'm here to teach you how to make your own cosmetics and at the same time what things really matters when we actually go for the day-to-day life, because what happens basically everyone is using whatever comes in front of us, but we don't know what we should use. So I will teach you that also, what you could use and what how you can get the best hair, skin and body. So this is how we are going to work in this channel, and this is how we are going to teach you, and we are going to get a lot more from us. So let's start. Today's topic is 5 tips how to get hair growth. I think this is the hot topic nowadays because everyone is facing this problem and everybody really wants to have solution. What is the solution? We don't know. And whatever products claim that you are going to get the hair solution, hair growth, dandruff is going to vanish, so we actually buy that, but sometimes we really feel disappointed because we don't get the right product. So what we can do here, I'm going to teach you the things, I'm going to make you to learn that you yourself can actually make many things, and at the same time what things has to be there to have the right routine, to have the right products and right diet, right things which is going to make your skin, hair and body healthy. So for today topic, which is actually 5 tips for a hair growth, we will cover it up with this first step. Our first step should always be your diet. Your diet matters a lot. If our diet is not good, definitely we are going to face a lot of problem, as we already are facing. When it comes to your hair regrowth or hair growth or having the healthy hair, definitely your diet has to be good. But what happens, sometimes we cannot follow all the things whatever we are taught to do. To follow a diet which we have, we cannot do that. But at least most important things we can do that. We can follow, we can take most important things, right? We can do that. What is the most important diet we can follow so that we can actually have the best hair we want always? First thing is amla, gooseberry. Gooseberry really works wonder on your hair. In fact, it is good for everything. When it comes to your eyesight, your body, your skin, it works wonder. There are a lot of health benefits when it comes to gooseberry. But here we are talking about the hair growth. So gooseberry really works wonder on hair too. And gooseberry, if you are going to take every day, you will really see the visible results on your hair growth. So what is the right time for taking gooseberry? Many people are confused because when we take at night, definitely you can face some other problems. So don't take it at night. What is the right time? Take it in the morning or in the afternoon. But again, how? You can take that gooseberry murabba. Otherwise, you can take gooseberry by boiling it. You can boil it out, then you can have it with your lunch. Otherwise, there is one more option. There are many companies who are actually coming with their juices, natural juices. You can start having it. You can have 5 ml or 10 ml, whichever company is telling you. Like I prefer to have, because we don't have much time sometimes to making everything at home, but still we want, because almost people actually don't take it because of these reasons. Who is going to boil it, who is going to make the murabba, whether these murabbas are good or not. So that way we are actually not taking it. So finally what the solution is? The solution is you can buy it from market. And which company is good? See, based on my personal experience, I can suggest you Patanjali Amla juice. It is really good. You can take it. Otherwise, there is one more company, Dabur. You can take, you can try, and you can see the results. Because something is better than nothing. If you cannot make it at your home, you cannot do it for every day, definitely you can try once. And if you can do it and you can make it at your home, nothing can be better than that. But if you cannot, then definitely there are few alternatives. See, So if you cannot make it at home, then only go for the market products. Otherwise, try to make it at home. So at home you can take it. I just told you how. What is the next thing in our diet which we can add and we can get the hair growth benefits and healthy hair benefits? That thing is your Triphala. Triphala is made of three things: Baira, Harar and gooseberry again. So again, what is the benefit of having it? It has again got a lot of benefit, not only for hair but for your digestive system, for your skin, for everything. But what is the right time to take it? What is the right time to have it? At night, after dinner, and try to take it after, try to make the gap between your dinner and having the Triphala tablet. I will say, why tablet, why not churn? Because some people actually get kind of, when your throat start feeling something else, feeling like there is throat sore. So for that reason, for throat sore only, we would prefer to have the tablet rather than having the churn. Again, which company is better? See, I can tell you everything based on my experience, based on my client's experience. So I do prefer to have Jhandu Triphala tablet, which is really good. Don't go for the capsule. I don't prefer to have capsules. But if it is your choice and if you have already got the benefit from the capsules, you can go for it. But what I have experienced and my clients have experienced, based on that, I would prefer to go with the Triphala tablet, and that is of the Jhandu's company. So take it at night and make it sure that the gap between your dinner time and taking this has to be 3 hours. Before sleeping you can have it, and take it with the warm water. So these two things are going to really make a lot of difference. I'm not telling you do this and that. There are a lot of things to do actually, but really in today's lifestyle this is quite impossible to follow everything. But at least these two things which are really simple and easier to have and can have the benefits as well, right? So these are the two things which I really want you to add, and these are very easy things to add. And if you cannot make it at home, I have already told you which company you can prefer to, or whatever you have experienced with. Okay, now these are the diet thing which we are talking. Now what is next? Next is which products we are applying on our hair, because products which we actually apply on our hair matters a lot. It makes a huge difference again. Diet is one of the part which works obviously, which really works on our skin, hair health. But next is what applications we are using, what we are applying on our hair, what we are using for our hair. That again matters a lot. What can we do for that? For that, you can use something which is actually sulfate free. When it comes to the shampoo, always prefer to have something sulfate free, like this. I am using this. This is sulfate free. This is made with the natural extracts along with the onion, obviously red onion. So always prefer to have something which really is sulfate free and really going to give you the good result. Why it is so? See, sulfate free doesn't mean we are actually telling you not to use surfactant, because without surfactant you cannot clean your hair much. That's right. So sulfate free really works so well because it really it really gives you many benefits. Sulfate has got a lot of negative claims. Because of that reason, people have started switching from sulfate to sulfate free shampoos. But we are still in doubt whether what they are claiming they are doing, are they doing? Sometimes companies are providing you the sulfate free shampoos, but at the same time are they providing you the herbs which are required, and the whatever the herbs are added in that shampoo are the accurate or organic? If not organic, at least accuracy is there or not, because accuracy actually matters. It is nothing like you can put all the herbs and you are making a shampoo. No, accuracy again matters a lot. What percentage they are adding when it comes to your herbs and many other things. So based on these science and Ayurveda, things has to be there. Things have to be there. So when it comes to your Ayurveda product, definitely I do prefer this one. This is Glowing Buzz Onion Hair Shampoo, which really works so well for me, and I have really tried it on many people and they have also got the same result. So if you really feel the same, please use it and give your feedback on the websites where it is available. You can find it out many places, at many places. Okay, now what is the next? This is what I am talking about, shampoo. And you can do also one thing. You can add few natural things in your sulfate-free shampoo. Like what? Like what? That is the question. Guess. Nowadays people are actually saying rice water. You know, there are a lot of things, but rice water, this is totally in demand nowadays. But what I would suggest you can add your own rice water in the sulfate free shampoo to get the maximum result. What you are making at your home, you are sure enough what you are using. So along with the sulfate free shampoo and its own extracts, you are using rice water, definitely you are going to get the best result. But again, accuracy has to be there, so don't use much. Always add 5 to 10% of rice water, whatever the shampoo you are using. But make it sure that shampoo has to be sulfate free and should have a lot of herbs, which actually makes your hair healthy and give you growth. Okay, now next is, which really we want, we want oil, hair oil. We all do hair massaging. We all want to have a oil which is mineral free. Mineral oil really gives you the instant shining, instant you can say moisturization, but at the same time it has got a many negative effects. It is very harmful. So definitely we would not like to have something which can cause harm in future, in a longer run. So I don't prefer to use any oil which is having mineral oil. So what to do? Whom you can trust upon, that's the main thing. But you can make it at your own home. You can find the link above. So I have already given many things over there. You can find out many raw materials through which you can make your own oil, your own onion hair oil. But again, if you don't have time, you really want somebody to make it for you, and you want a good company who has already made it for you, definitely you can go with one. That's your, again, Glowing Buzz onion hair oil. You can try this out. This is again your mineral free, just obviously silicones free. Silicones are again very harmful. People are using these things to, silicones actually gives you the extra shine to your hair, but that is temporary, that is not permanent, and but gradually it is going to harm your hair. So never ever use silicones. I would never prefer. So always try oil which has no mineral oil, no silicone and no paraben, obviously, because when there are a lot of herbs and other things, definitely it needs to have some preservative, and for that preservative you can go with somebody who is making it natural. Okay, so now we have talked about the shampoo, oil, which we already use a lot, almost twice or thrice in a week. So your application really matters a lot. Now what is next? Serum. Yeah, hair serum, which really sometimes make our hair so shiny and all. But you know what? Serum which are having again silicones, that should be avoided. Serum which are having the petrolatum products, you should avoid those things. But most of the serums are made with these ingredients. So what you can do, you can make it at your home. But that is not actually, you can say, serum. That is going to be your healthy tonic. You can name it because you can name it as your healthy tonic because what serum you are actually getting from the market, most of them are using silicons or mineral oils, not or, in fact along with the silicons they are using mineral oil. So again you are not getting the, you are actually getting the serum which are going to give you the shiny hair. This is actually whenever we talk about serum, people have this kind of impression, right? So definitely serum, but for according to my opinion, serum should be which is actually going to give you the hair growth, which actually makes your hair healthier. So for that reason, again I would prefer to have the Glowing Buzz hair serum. So these products are really natural one. This hair serum you can apply on scalp, but when you are talking about the serum which are actually available in the market, that cannot be applied on the scalp. If you are going to apply on the scalp, definitely it will cause you harm if it is having your silicons, mineral oils, and most of the serums are having that, because otherwise you will not get the shine. So they never use those serums on your scalp. You can use on hair, but those are going to give you that, those are going to cause you harm because of silicons, mineral oils in a longer run. If we are going for the parties and all, definitely we can use. Sometimes it is okay, but don't use in your daily life. When it comes to your daily life, use these kind of products which can give you the healthy hair and everything which you want for your hair in the longer run, right? For a party and all, that's fine. Once in a while everything is okay, but not for a longer run and not for the daily use. So this is the serum which I am talking about. Don't never ever use those kind of serum. Now I was talking about something like tonic. Serum which are in the market, but those are made with those things. So how you can make your own tonic? I would say tonic. You can buy this one, otherwise you can make your own tonic. How? Have you heard about the hibiscus flower? My favorite one. Why it is so? Why it is favorite one? See, it is having a lot of benefits. It is having the vitamin C, which actually helps to repair many things. Even you can apply it on skin. It is enriched with the vitamin C and many other minerals. So when you're using it for the hair, it is going to give you hair regrowth. It is adding shine to your hair as well. But yes, few can be allergic to it, but most of the people like it and they are happy with, by this hibiscus flower. You can make your own tonic. How? You can make your own tonic by, you can do one thing. You can have a liter, 1 liter of water. Just have handful of hibiscus flower. Okay, boil it in that water, and always boil it by keeping a net on the flame, and put your that bowl on that net, and your flame should be in the sim it, and then boil it, and boil it very slowly, so it will get very it will get boiled very slowly. And when it is going to get boiled and half of the water is left, then strain it out and keep it in the cold place, and then you can put it in the bottle, spray bottle, and whenever you are going to sleep, or you are free, you can spray it out on your hair, your scalp. You will really find it out that you are getting a very good hair growth, you are getting healthy hair. But because we are not adding any kind of preservative, we are not going to add any kind of other things which can keep it for a longer time. Shelf life is very short for when it comes to natural things. So you can do one thing, you can keep it in the refrigerator and you can use it, not for so long, but yeah, for 3 days. And in every 3 days you can make it. Even you are going to make it for 3 days in a week, that is also going to work a lot. So this is how you can make your own tonic If you are going to make it now, you can also skip the serum. You can make it at home, and it is very easy recipe, and again it is going to work for you, and you have something which is actually working for you, and you know what I am using, so your trust level will be very high. So it is going to work very well for you, because you have trust. You got the trust on your own product, what you are making. So obviously this is going to work for you. Okay, what next? What next we have after the products? We have talked about diet, we have talked about the products, what we should use. Now it's time to talk about the essential oils. What essential oils good for your hair? Because essential oils again work so well. But which essential oils should be used for hair? Yeah, one I can show you. Tea tree. Tea tree really works so well. There are a lot of companies giving you tea tree oil. You can buy it out, and you can do one thing: don't use much. Whichever onion hair oil you are using, which I have already told you, should be mineral free, silicone free, paraben free. Add 2 to 3 drops in the bottle, in the 100 ml bottle. Only 2 to 3 drops of tea tree oil works so well for dandruff, for itchiness. And if you have a more dandruff problem, add rosemary essential oil along with the tea tree and the lavender oil. These three are going to work so well. And please don't use much. Don't use, like, if suppose these things are going to give the benefit, don't start using in a larger quantity. It is going to harm you then, because these are highly concentrated products. Essential oils are highly concentrated, so never use it in a larger quantity. So what you can do, you can mix it in your own onion hair oil or any other oil, even in the coconut oil. If you are having the dandruff issues and all, you can mix it in your coconut oil. Only if I am talking about 100 ml coconut oil, you can add 2 to 3 drops each of the essential oils. Like 100 ml coconut oil, then use 2 to 3 drops of tea tree oil, 2 to 3 drops of rosemary oil, and 2 to 3 drops of lavender oil. Right? So these 3 oils can be added, and you can really see the visible results on your dandruff, especially on your dandruff. It is going to work for other things also for your hair, but I'm talking about the dandruff, particularly about the dandruff when we are using these 3 oils. There are other benefits as well, but time is less. There are a lot of things to share with you. That's why I'm going to get into some other tips as well, because I have to tell you each and everything which can make your hair healthy, shiny, volumized. So for that reason, we can have more tips to have the best result. Okay, what can be the next? I have already told you diet, then applications, then how to make your own serum, then how to make your own oil, and how essential oils can be useful, and which oils are good for what. These 4 tips have already been shared. Now what can be the last one? That is, guess. Not the product, not the diet. It is within you. Within you. Meditation. You have to meditate for this. You have to meditate at least for 5 minutes, and think about that higher energy who has made you, who is inside you, inside everyone, and think like this. You are meditating, your hands should be like this. Meditate and concentrate on your breathing. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Once you feel, you are able to concentrate on your breathing, concentrate on your center of the eyebrows. Then start feeling like you are connecting with your higher power, higher energy, and higher energy is coming from up, from this, and it is entering in your body. And while it is entering your body, think about the problem whatever you have. Like if you are having the hair issues, think about those hair issues. Like I'm getting very good hair, I'm getting shine on my hair, I'm getting rid of every hair problem. That higher energy is curing each and everything. Feel so happy about it, feel so nice that yes, now I am having very very nice hair, the hair which I have always dreamed of. Wow, that energy is working so well. And feel that white energy. Slowly, slowly start feeling your surroundings. Again, start concentrating on your breathing and start feeling your surroundings and come to your consciousness. Open your eyes. Do this at least for 5 minutes, guys. It will really help you out, because when we connect to our higher energy, every problem is going to be vanished and everything becomes so good. Everything gets its own benefits. Everything starts working for you, whatever you are using. So this is not the last but the best tip for you. So please guys, if you really like this video, like it, subscribe it, share it, and keep with me always. We are going to have a lot of fun. We are going to share a lot of things which I have, and we will enjoy our healthy mind, body and soul. Okay, thank you so much.